For our project, we researched AI in agriculture, and below are the topics we will be covering today. AI-powered precision farming uses artificial intelligence to help farmers make smarter and more efficient decisions. Instead of treating every part of a field the same, AI analyzes data from drones, satellites, soil sensors, GPS, and weather forecasts to understand the specific needs of different crops. Based on this information, it can recommend the right amount of water, fertilizer, and pesticides to use. This reduces waste, lowers costs, and helps protect the environment while improving crop quality. Overall, AI makes farming more precise, sustainable, and productive, which is becoming increasingly important as the demand for food continues to grow.
So the next slide is smart crop monitoring. So smart crop monitoring is one of the most important ways AI is improving horticulture today. AI uses cameras, drones, and other imaging technologies to monitor crops continuously and collect detailed information about plant health. Instead of waiting until plants show obvious signs of stress or disease, AI can detect unhealthy plants much earlier. This allows farmers to make faster management decisions, such as adjusting irrigation or treating only affected areas. As a result, crops stay healthier, yields can improve, and unnecessary chemical use is reduced. According to the primary research by Mohanty and colleagues in 2016, AI systems trained on thousands of plant images demonstrated that computer vision can accurately recognize plant diseases, showing the potential for smarter and more efficient crop monitoring. So the next slide is AI disease detection. So AI disease detection helps farmers identify plant diseases quickly and accurately by analyzing digital images of plant leaves. Instead of relying only on visible symptoms, AI compares a leaf to thousands of stored images of healthy and diseased plants to recognize patterns that may be difficult for the human eye to detect. This allows diseases to be identified earlier before they spread throughout the crop. Early detection helps farmers treat only the affected plants, which can reduce pesticide use and minimize crop losses. It also supports more sustainable horticulture by improving plant health while reducing environmental impacts. According to the primary study by Mohanty and colleagues in 2016, deep learning models show very high accuracy in identifying plant diseases from leaf images, demonstrating AI's potential as a valuable tool in modern agriculture.
So now that we've seen how AI can monitor crops and detect diseases, I'll focus on how AI is put into action through robotics and automation. So since around 2020, improvements in artificial intelligence, sensors, and machine learning have made robotic systems much more common in commercial horticulture, especially in North America, Europe, Japan, and Australia. AI-powered harvesting robots use cameras and computer vision to identify ripe fruits and vegetables and harvest them with minimal damage. Autonomous tractors can plant, spray, and navigate fields using GPS with little human intervention. Smart greenhouses use sensors and AI to automatically adjust irrigation, temperature, humidity, and lighting, which create ideal growing conditions for plants. In our course, we've learned that plant growth depends on carefully managing environmental conditions. Robotics help growers apply those same principles more effectively and consistently. Robotics and automation provide several important benefits. They reduce repetitive manual labor, improve efficiency, reduce waste, and help produce higher quality crops through more precise management. This also supports more sustainable horticultural practices by using resources more efficiently. There are still challenges with using AI and robotics, though. The equipment is expensive, it requires regular maintenance, it needs skilled operators who understand both technology and horticulture. Additionally, not every crop can be harvested effectively by robots because plants vary in size and growing conditions. Overall, robotics is not replacing horticulturists. It is helping them work more efficiently. As AI continues to advance, these technologies will likely play an even larger role in making horticulture more productive and sustainable.
So in this slide, we're going to be talking about future improvements in agriculture that can be used with AI. So one big thing that farmers are still learning to navigate because it's so new is climate change. And an important way AI can help with this is by monitoring weather conditions. It can also monitor soil quality and past crop data. Farmers can use this information to make better decisions about when to plant, when to water, and when to harvest their crops. This can reduce the risk caused by climate change and improve crop production. Additionally, AI can help farmers grow plants more effectively. It can identify problems earlier, like pests or diseases, and it can recommend the right amount of water or fertilizer. This can save time and effort and reduce waste. This is going to overall reduce farming costs and hopefully reduce the cost of produce. AI agriculture in the works today. So, globally, researchers have been developing AI tools to help farmers improve crop production. For example, the one I have listed here is creating AI-powered technology that can detect crop diseases earlier. In the past few years, there's been a lot of improvements with AI, and there's a lot of potential in the future for more innovation. AI is also being used with drones, sensors, and cameras to monitor crops and collect data about their health. These tools are going to help farmers make better decisions about watering, fertilizing, and protecting their crops. Over the past few years, a lot has happened, and a lot of promise shows that the effectiveness of farming will improve as AI continues to develop. So, in conclusion, AI has the potential to make agriculture more efficient and sustainable. Even though some people worry about the environmental impacts of AI, after we researched, we learned a lot about how it can actually help protect the environment when it's used responsibly, because it can monitor the plant diseases, use robots to complete farming tasks, and track climate changes. These technologies help farmers make better decisions and reduce waste and labor. As AI continues to develop, it will likely play an even bigger role in creating a more sustainable future for agriculture. And here are our citations. Thank you for listening.